Hello student, myself Aishwarya Dhamnekar, lecturer in Department of Science and Humanities. I am dealing with your subject Engineering Mathematics 2. So your first chapter is Coordinate Geometry. In this we are going to study straight lines. So in the last session I have covered how to find the slope intercept form and one point form. Okay, so based on those forms we have solved sums also. So in this lecture we are going to study equation for parallel lines, equation for perpendicular lines, and how to find the equation of median of a triangle. So first we will discuss parallel lines. Suppose you are having graph with the x and y axis. Now consider L1 and L2 be the two lines, okay, having the slope m1 and m2 respectively. So if these two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. That is m1 is equals to m2. Okay, so I have given the definition. If two lines are parallel, then they have equal slopes. That is m1 is equals to m2. And the equation of line, if lines are parallel, we can write it as y minus y1 is equals to m in the bracket x minus x1, because these two are parallel if and only if they are having m1 is equals to m2, if their slopes are equal. Fine. Then for perpendicular lines, now consider the graph with x and y axis. Now consider you are having L1 and L2 with the two lines which are perpendicular to each other, means they are making 90-degree angle. If m1 and m2 be the slopes of L1 and L2 line, then the product of these two slopes will be equal to minus 1. Therefore, slope of m1 is equals to minus 1 upon slope of second line, that is m2. Fine. So read it. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of the slope will be equal to minus 1. That is m1 into m2 will be minus 1. And equation of lines, if lines are perpendicular, y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. So when you are having parallel lines, you have to use equation y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, and if you are having perpendicular lines, you have to use formula y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. Now next we are having first question. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point 4, 1 and parallel to the line 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. What they have given? One point, that is 4 and 1, and they have given one straight line which is parallel. Means you have to find the equation of line which is parallel to this line. Fine. So first you have to find slope. How to find the slope when they have given straight line? Okay, so what is given? 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. So you can write next line as ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now compare equation 1 and equation 2. So m is equals to minus a by b is equals to, minus sign will be as it is. What is value of a? Compare 1 and 2, that is 3, and value of b is minus 2. So minus and minus become plus. So m is 3 by 2 and value of point is 4 and 1. So if the lines are parallel, means which form you have to use? Y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Okay, so just substitute the values. That is y minus 1 is equals to 3 by 2 in the bracket x minus 4. So here you are having on the RHS 3 by 2. Now shift 2 to LHS. So 2 into y minus 1 is equals to 3x minus 4. So multiply 2 to old bracket, that is 2y minus 2 is equals to 3x minus 12. So what you are getting? 3x minus 12 minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0, because all terms we are taken at one side. So that is 3x minus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. This is the equation of straight line which is parallel to that given line. Now, second question, find the equation of straight line passing through the point 3 minus 5 and parallel to the line x plus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Again, what you have to find? M. So, how to find the M? Write it. X plus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. So, what is the equation of straight line? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now, compare equation 1 and 2. So, m is equals to minus a divided by b. So, what is value of a? That is 1. But already we are having minus sign. So, minus 1 divided by, what is value of b? 2. So, minus 1 by 2. Next, now you are having value of m as well as point. So, write the equation of line y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Now, substitute the values. That is y minus value of y1 is minus 5 is equals to minus 1 by 2 x minus 3. Now, again this RHS you are having minus 1 upon 2. Shift the 2 to LHS. So, that is 2 y plus 5 is equals to minus 1 x minus 3. Now 2 into y is 2y plus 10 minus x, minus into minus plus 1 into 3 is 3. Now bring all the terms to RHS. That is minus x plus 3 minus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. Then minus x minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Now take it out, minus sign as a common. So what you are getting? X plus 2y plus 7 is equals to 0. This is the equation of straight line which is parallel to the given line. Now next, find the equation of line passing through the point minus 3, 2 and perpendicular to the line 4x minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. Now equation of line which is perpendicular to the given line. Okay. Then again find value of m, that is compare equation 1 and 2. So m is equals to minus a divided by b. So what is value of a? Minus sign as it is. So a is 4 and value of b is minus 1. So m you are getting is 4. So now you are having m as well as point x and y. Write the equation for perpendicular line. That is y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon m x minus x1. Now substitute the values. That is in the step number 3. 4 y minus 2 is equals to minus 1 x plus 3. Expand the bracket. That is 4y minus 8 minus 1x minus 3. Now take all the terms to RHS. That is minus x minus 3 minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0. So what you are getting next line? Minus x minus 4y minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5 is equals to 0. If you want to take minus sign as a common, you can take it out. So final answer is x plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now next question. Show that two lines are perpendicular. It is 3x minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. They have given two lines. When we say the two lines are perpendicular, when product of their slope is equals to minus 1. So first what you have to find? Slope of the first line, slope of the second line. Multiply these two. If you are getting answer as minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular to each other. Fine. Then write next line. 3x minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. Another side, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. Compare the equations with x plus by plus c is equals to 0. So find m1, that is minus a by b. You are getting minus 3 divided by minus 2. So it is 3 by 2. And m2 minus a by b, that is minus 2 divided by 3. Now find the product, that is m1 into m2. So 3 by 2 into minus 2 by 3. 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus 1. So product of the two slopes are minus 1. Hence these two lines are perpendicular. Clear? If they have given questions like show that the two lines are parallel, what you have to do? You have to find the slope. If those two slopes are equal, then the given lines are parallel. Okay. Then next one. Okay. Now we will see how to find the equation of median through a given point. Okay. If you are having the triangle ABC. Okay. So first read the question. Find the equation of median through the point A, where the vertices of triangle are A, B and C. They have given coordinates A, B and C. Now you can see on RHS I have drawn one diagram, that is triangle ABC. So write down the points ABC as 4, 1, 4, 2, 2, 6. Fine. You have to find median of triangle from the point A. So from the point A, draw one line on B and C. So I have marked there D. Okay. Median means what? You are making two parts of the triangle. That is equal parts of triangle. Now D is nothing but what? Midpoint of BC. Okay. Just center of BC. Then here I have given first step. Let D be the midpoint of B and C. So how to find D? X1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So put the values there. 4 plus 2 divided by 2, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. I have written there x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay. Then 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. So what you are getting as D? 3 and 4. Fine. Then you have to find slope of AD. Okay. So point A is what? 4, 1 and point D is 3, 4. So how to find the slope between 2 points? That is m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Put the values 4 minus 1, 3 minus 4, 3 divided by minus 1. So answer is minus 3. Now you are having m, that is slope, and you have to find equation through the point A. So what is the given point A? That is 4, 1. So write equation y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Substitute the values of x1, y1 and m. That is y minus 1 is equals to minus 3, x minus 4. So y minus 1 is equals to minus 3x plus 12. Now bring all the terms to RHS. That is minus 3x plus 12 minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So minus 3x minus 5 plus 12 plus 1 is plus 13 is equals to 0. You can take minus sign common. That is 3x plus y minus 13 is equals to 0. This is the equation of median through the point A. Next, find the equation of median through the point B whose vertices are A, B and C. Now, you have to find equation of median through the point B. Draw a triangle ABC and from the point B, draw one line on AC and mark that point as D. Now, again D is nothing but midpoint of A and C. So, how to find the midpoint? Right there, D is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So, put the values 4 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 7 divided by 2. So, we are getting 10 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 5 and 3. Now, next step is you have to find slope of B and D, slope of the line BD. So, B is 3 minus 1 and D is 5 and 3. You are having 2 points. So, how to find the slope? M is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, put the values 3 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 3. So, 3 minus into minus plus 1 divided by 2. So, 4 divided by 2 will get 2. So, M is 2 and through the point B means what is value of B? 3 and minus 1. Write equation of median through the point B. Y minus y1 is equals to M x minus x1. Okay, so what is value of y1? Minus 1. So, y minus in the bracket minus 1 plus 2 in the bracket x minus 3. So, y plus 1, 2 x minus 3. So, y plus 1, 2x minus 6. In the next line, take all the terms to RHS. That is 2x minus 6 minus y plus minus 1 is equals to 0. So, 2x minus y minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 is equals to 0. This is the equation of median to the point B. While finding the equation of, this completes your chapter. While finding the equation of median, what you have to do? First draw the triangle, note the point A, B, C and then check from which point you have to find the median. Okay, if they are given A, draw one line from A on BC. Then find midpoint, that is D. Then slope of AD. Then what you have to find? Equation of median. Hence, this completes your chapter.